Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to expand double brackets, but before I start, just remember there is a link to this web page where you can practice the questions after you watch the videos. So once you're done watching the video, click the link and then go to this page and see if you can do the questions. Right, so how do we expand double brackets? It's really straightforward. It's not a particularly difficult task at all. Okay, so first of all, these two brackets are written next to each other. That means they're actually multiplying each other. So they're multiplying each other, these two double brackets. And we're going to write an expression that's equivalent to this, but in its expanded form, so without the brackets. So how do we do that? Okay, so first of all, the method I'm going to teach you is what I call the Parrot Beak method, and in a minute I'll explain why. But it's really simple. You start with the first thing in the first bracket, and you multiply the first thing in the second bracket. So you multiply that x with the x in there, so you get x squared. So first of all, I'm going to write that on the right hand side, but I'm going to pop up the palm rest so that I can rest my hand while I'm writing. So what's x times x? That's x squared. So I'm going to write that here. Okay. Then you take the first thing and you multiply, the first thing in the first bracket, and then you multiply the second thing in the second bracket. So what's x times positive 4x? Well, that's what's x times positive 4? That's positive 4x. Okay, so the idea is the first item multiplies both of those there, and there is your, there it is. So okay, that x times both of those is just x squared plus 4x. Okay, then you take the second item and you multiply both of those expressions there. So we're going to do 3 times x, so that's going to be 3x, and then 3 times 4, that's plus 12. Okay, so the idea is that the second item multiplies both of those, and there they are there, 3x and 12. Okay, and now, this is the expanded version, but once you expand, you should immediately simplify. So what can we collect together? Well, we can collect together the plus 4x and the 3x to get 7x. So this is the final simplified answer, is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, so 4x add 3x is 7x. Okay, if we press check, wait for the conversion and check our answer, and we got it right. Okay, let's try another question. Let's press new question. You just need to be careful with negatives when you're doing this. So what do? We take the first item and we multiply both of these. So that's x times x is x squared. X times positive 7 is positive 7x. Okay, that's the first item done. Then you take the second item and multiply both of the terms in the second bracket. Just being careful with negatives. So this is minus 9 times x, that's minus 9x. And then minus 9 times 7 is minus 63. Okay, so there's the expansion. But now we need to simplify it, so we can all collect the middle two terms together. So it's going to be x squared on its own. But what's positive 7x? Take away minus 9x, that's minus 2x. And then at the end we get a minus 63 because we can't do anything with that. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, there's a conversion. Okay, and we got it right. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's press new button. Okay, so new question, sorry, and here's the next question. Let's try this. This time round there's numbers in front of the x's, so it's a little bit different, but the procedure's the same. So we do 2 times the x, 2x times the 5x. That's going to be 10x squared. And then we do 2x times the minus 4, that's minus 8x. And then we move on to the second item, minus 3 times that, that's minus 15x. And then we do minus 3 times minus 4. Now just be careful, minus 3 times minus 4 is positive 12. Okay, so just remember 2 minuses make a plus. Okay, so now we've got the expansion, we just need to simplify. It's the middle two terms that are the ones that we can simplify, collect together. So it's 10x squared, and then minus 8x minus 15 is minus 23x, and then plus 12. Okay, the reason why it's called the parrot beak method is because you can see that the arrows kind of make a parrot beak. And just remember, it's really simple. The first item multiplies both of them, and then the second item multiplies both of them, and then you write it down and collect the like terms. And let's check that, by the way. Okay, and there you go, we got it right. Oh, and just remember guys, this palm rest is really cool. If you're working with one of these pens here, you can scroll that up and you can sort of rest your hand on there. Okay, so now you have learnt how to expand double brackets. So what you need to do now is practice this skill. So click the link in the description. So go to the link in the description and have a go at those 10 questions and see if you get them right. And I hope you do. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe it, and it will help you out immensely. Thank you very much for watching, everyone.